Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Google AI Studio app to Play Store. So let's get started. So you can see that I have created a simple to-do list application for this demonstration. So once you have created the application, you're going to click on preview in order to see the preview of the application. Next, you're going to click on publish right here, and then you're going to make sure that your application is live. Then you're going to click on share and you're going to copy the URL of your application. So simply click on copy link over here, and then you can see copied link to clipboard. Next, you're going to go to another tab and search for convert web app to native app. So there are numerous applications that you can use. You can either use Medium.co or you can also use App My Site. So let's go with App My Site. So you're going to sign in with your credentials, and then you're going to click on create app button over here at the top right. And here you're going to choose web to app and give your app a name. So I'm going to simply write down the name to do. After that, you're going to paste the URL of your website. So I'm going to paste the URL that I just copied from Google AI Studio. So once you have pasted that, you're going to click on create app button. And then you can choose the color scheme. For example, let's go with this greenish shade and then click on next. You will also be asked to create any icon, so you can simply click on start designing or upload any image. If you don't want to set it up right now, you can simply click on skip. And then from the left hand side, you're going to click on preview and you'll be able to see the layout of your application. And after that, you're going to click on download. And since we want an application to publish on Google Play Store, so you're going to go with the Android one and click on build app. And after that, you're going to click on build app again. Then it's going to proceed the building process for your application. So simply wait for it to be built. Once done, you're going to click on the download button and your APK file will be downloaded. After that, you're going to head over to Google Play Console and make sure that you have your account activated. So basically that's a developer account and you have to pay $25 fee for the first time. And once you do have an activated Google developers account, you're going to simply upload your APK and that APK will be published to the Play Store and you'll be able to see all the analytics of the app within your Google Play Console. So that is basically how you can publish a Google AI Studio application to the Play Store. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.